not a very high scoring test because we put both units together. Not as special. I guess the count I don't really count, so I couldn't really judge. Now, okay. All right, sounds good. Shoot us up. So we're going to talk about a little bit about the design of the periodic table, and we're going to talk about the founder of the periodic table. There was a Russian chemist by the name of Dmitry Mendeleev. Say what? Yeah. But are we talking about the P dude from biology? Mina. Yeah, different dude. But okay. Now, Dmitry Mendeleev was a Russian chemist. All right, and he was trying to create a periodic table. I think I have a picture of it. I can't swear to it, but I think I do it mine, put it under the data set. Now, when he was doing this, I want you to envision this. And it's a little difficult to explain, but envision it. He wrote out all the info or information he knew about each element on an index card. Now, I don't know if in the 1800s when he was doing this, if they had something called index card, but for lack of a term for that in the 1800s, you guys can all relate to index cards. Danielle has an entire box sitting on her desk. All right, so. Okay, same thing. So he wrote everything he knew about all of the elements on some type of card. Okay? At this time, they did know atomic masses. And they knew things like densities. They knew color. They knew other properties of the elements. In some cases, they knew boiling points and melting points. He listed all of this information they knew about the elements on cards. Okay? And then he went about the process of trying to arrange the information. Okay? He sorted the cards. Okay? He attempted to arrange them. Now, when he did this, he noticed two patterns. One, he noticed increasing atomic masses, and two, he noticed similar properties among elements. I don't hear about. How was it? It was fun. Yeah, how was it? It's 7.5 hours. Why? Because we had to drive 2 hours to the mountains to Chapel Springs. It was pouring down rain. It took 2.5 hours to get home and the reservation. Mashed potatoes, it was good, but if we'd been up there, it would have been one thing. We drove 2 hours to have dinner. We spent 4.5 hours on the road for a 1 hour. Moving on. All right, everybody's caught up. So, notice straight here. If we pick selenium and bromine, all right? Class decreases here. So, all right, does he flip them? Because PI, not PRI, does he? PENI. Taxes are backwards. Or does he say these have similar properties and leave them alone? What does he decide to do? He left them based on similar properties. But mass in areas where they are based on similar properties. Yeah, no, not there yet. You got to talk about one other thing he did. There is an explanation. You actually already know the answer. Yeah. No, I'm just using it as an example. We're not actually going to hunt up all the exceptions. Is given credit for the periodic table if he doesn't seem normal to give a man credit for something when he can't even explain why it works the way it does. Organized it. And the reason he gets credit for it, the existence of not yet their property. Dang, there must be elements out there that we, and based on that, I'm going to put these spaces, and not only am I going to put them here, these are going to be the elements are going to have this mass. These elements are going to have this density. Just on a table. Based on the properties of this mass, and this element had this mass, following the trend, this element should have a mass approximately of this. That's how he did it. Okay, now, before that was ever discovered. No, he never found out.
Would there be more?
Four elements on the periodic table during his time. I'm going to show you his periodic
I'm
table.
talking about this now.
Most of the elements that have been discovered at this point came from radioactive elements that produce radioactive isotopes. So they're all created in the lab because they just were isotopes that came. But a lot of them are lab based. Yeah. Say what now? There are 92, I think it's 92, it's either 88 or 92 naturally occurring elements. I think it's 90. Oh.
So all the young,
Huh? Most of them. Other elements that yeah. Mandela's first. No, I should have taken Spanish. I should have pitched that right out the window when they told me that would be illegal. It's still you. You will notice the question marks. Those are places where he predicted elements would be discovered. Now, wasn't too terribly far off the mark with the numbers he came up with. Okay, he's pretty close, and because of that, he there were elements on there that were never known during that time. I'm getting ready to ask you what parts other than that you're going to be able to tell me to. Now, tell me this: who discovered the part? It's about sir. Atomic number. Okay. Get that man's first name.
his brother.
Wrong. No idea. All right. Add one proton. What did we learn that's called? Catch up with me.
Yeah, I don't have to look up that.
I know, that's why for the visual people, it's where. Sorry, I do what? I talk.
What about the top shelf?
I know how to give notes for the tactile people. If you want it written, I'm not giving it to you in a handout. It's stupid. Let me think about there for a minute. So, the best I can do is be entertained. If you do more TE, they were in order. He just had no idea that they were in the right order, but he had them in the right order. Okay? Because the mass went down. See how the mass is 127 and it dipped to 126? The masses went down. He predicted that the masses would increase. And he was like, I don't know why they're decreasing there. They were all increasing. And they had similar down. Less neutrons. Iodine just has less neutrons than the mass. Okay, so what are the new sections that make it look different? None of these elements existed or were known about during many. Okay, lanthanides, the actinide, and the noble gas. Now, the lanthanide are all Earth. I don't know why we call them that. The actinides are unique because they're all radioactive. Noble gases, inert gases. They now react with but because they've gotten krypton and xenon to react with fluorine, that changes things. And that's happened since I've been teaching. So when I started teaching, they were still the inert gases. I've hung up my mouth teaching skills. US.